Hello everyone. If you're looking for a new mixer, you may be caught up in the age-old analog versus digital debate. Here, we'll clarify a few things and show you which digital mixers are best for live performance. All product links are available in the description. You can check them out for the best prices. Let's start. 1. QSC TouchMix 16. Compact digital mixer with 20 fully functional inputs, including 12 mics, 4 mic line combos, 2 stereo lines, and additional talkback and USB tracks. The TouchMix 16 offers incredible connectivity. This versatility makes it easy to integrate into a variety of live sound environments, making it an ideal portable solution for small to mid-sized venues or touring acts. 2. Midas M32 Live Unpowered Mixer. Its versatility makes it a must-have for musicians in both live performances and studio recordings. First of all, I appreciate the 40 simultaneous input channels available on this Midas M32 mixer. This feature allows you to manage and create fantastic music, making it a great companion for live performances and recording sessions. A 3QSC TouchMix 30 Pro Professional Digital Mixer, the QSC TouchMix. 30 Pro sets a new standard in the compact digital mixer category, boasting an impressive 32 mixing channels and 16 outputs. Designed to meet the needs of large bands, AV production professionals, and performing arts venues, this mixer delivers the sophistication and control typically found in larger consoles in a portable package. 4th, Behringer X32 Compact Digital Mixing Console. Featuring a unique hybrid design that offers the best of both worlds, the Behringer X32 is a great choice for those looking for the best of both worlds. Featuring 40 channels, 25 buses, and 152 signal sources, all controlled and monitored via an intuitive 7-inch graphical user interface. The X32 offers one of the most flexible workflows available. 5. Yamaha DM3-D22 Channel Ultra Compact Digital Mixing Console with Dante. The Yamaha DM3-D excels at delivering renowned Yamaha sound quality, ensuring transparent and uncolored sound at a 96 kHz sample rate. This mixer features 22 channels, including 16 professional Yamaha preamps, making it a versatile setup for live performance, recording, and streaming with exceptional clarity and detail. 6. Bose T8S Tone Match Digital Mixer with studio-quality effects and digital audio processing. The Bose T8S makes tone management easy. Designed for the performer, it's the perfect control center for your sound. Take advantage of a variety of sound sources and independently control each channel with precise equalization, dynamic processing, and high-quality effects. 7. Behringer FLOW 8 Behringer FLOW 8 8-channel digital mixer. The Behringer FLOW 8 is a very compact 8-channel digital mixer. It offers great functionality along with a variety of intuitive features. With 2 independent studio-grade effects engines, each with 16 presets, 12 amazing reverb programs, and a host of unique extras, you've got everything you need to create great mixes. At the end, finding the best audio mixer live performance can be a daunting task. To narrow down your options, consider seeking out reviews and recommendations from experts and users. That's it for today's rundown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you in the next one.